Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Anna and today I have for you this amazing apple bread. Delicious and a dessert that smells like fall for me. I will start with the filling for which I'm gonna use 3 apples, 100 grams of really dark brown sugar, and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. I will wash those apples and peel them off. And cut them in small cubes and remove of course the seeds. Proceed the same way with the rest of the apples. In a large bowl, mix the apple cubes with brown sugar and cinnamon. Make sure that the person that you serve this apple bread is not allergic to cinnamon, of course. Let these aside for the apples to release their juices and combine with that brown sugar. In the meantime, I'm gonna make the batter, and for this I'm gonna use 130 grams of sugar, 113 grams of room temperature butter, so not melted, just soft at room temperature, 2 eggs, vanilla extract about 1 tablespoon, 125 milliliters of milk, 180 grams of flour, 10 grams of baking powder, and of course a pinch of salt. I'm gonna put butter in the mixing bowl and start mixing it before adding sugar. Once it's nice and soft, I'm gonna start adding sugar and continue to mix until sugar is well incorporated. Add vanilla extract and continue to mix. The sugar will almost start to dissolve. And add eggs. Add those 2 eggs without separating them. We don't need to separate the yolk from the white. So I just remove the shell and add them in the batter, and I continue to mix. Add as well the milk. As you can see, the mixture might seem a bit separated, but it's all fine. As soon as we're gonna add the flour, everything will come together. Add a pinch of salt, so the sweetness of the cake to be enhanced by the tiny bit of salt that we add, and baking powder. And all we have to do is to incorporate the flour right now. I've removed the whisk and I'm making sure that the flour is well incorporated in the batter. So I'm using a spatula just to make sure of that. And I will add about 3/4 of this apple mixture. I am going one more time with a spoon so I can make sure that everything is combined, and add those over the batter. The rest we save it so we can put it on top of the cake. I mix slightly with the spatula, and I'm pouring now the mixture in a loaf pan that I line with baking paper. And also I preheated the oven at 180 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. As you can see, I didn't over mix. I like that syrup to be shown in the batter, so I didn't over mix. I'll level now the batter, and I will add the rest of the apple and that syrup with brown sugar on top of the cake, and I will slightly overlap a bit of the batter over the apples as well, but they will pretty much sink a bit in the batter during the baking, so you don't have to worry too much about these. I will bake the cake in the oven at 180 Celsius, 250 Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. As you can see, the cake looks now amazing after I take it out of the oven. I will take it out of the tray, let it cool down, and serve it cold, sliced up. Looks amazing, and the taste is unbelievable yummy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you here next time with another recipe. Until then, find reasons to smile. Bye bye.